Hello, hi guys. I'm just back from the nursery. I bought so many plants today and I'm happy. I'll fix them all tomorrow. I'll make a video how I'm going to plant them and yeah. So let's see you all tomorrow. So this one, it's a orange color, orange. This is a like shadow pink, yellow. It's a wine red. In fact, I was having all this color earlier, but all got dry and it got finished. So I bought some new plants. As I was not here, so my plants got expired. So these are the new plants I brought today. So I'm going to fix them all tomorrow.